reaching out through the wire, feet marching in endless fire, eyes locked on a single flame. The world spins, but we're all the same. Who will sing the song of the ages? Who will write peace on history's pages? One voice echoes, one heart beats loud. They're the anthem of the crowd. Rising like smoke in the air, hope's a banner we all can wear. Every language, every face, this is our time, this is our place. We're stronger when we stand as one. No battles lost, it's just begun. Don't care where you're born. The sky's been torn, but it can heal. Let the music break the chains. Let the